So, Olympic athletes are selling their custom-built Z Flip 6s Olympic edition that they got for going to the Olympics. They got free, Z Flip 6s, which, again, Samsung did to, promote the Z Flip 6 during the Olympics. And now they're posting them on eBay and selling them. Now, I don't really have a problem with this. I don't really think this is bad. I mean, if you get a free product and, you don't want it anymore, you probably, if you want to sell it, you can sell it. It kind of does look bad, I guess. And if you think about it for, Samsung's point of view, because they gave away these free phones. They're supposed to be amazing, which I think the Z Flip 6 is amazing. But it's just the second the person gets it, they're like, oh yeah, this is great. We have this phone. And then they're like, we're going back to our S24 Ultras or our iPhones. And they're just not really a fan of them. Either that or maybe they just want the money. Because these are currently being posted up for $10,000, currently with a bid price of $2,500. 19 current bids, by the way, on both of these. This is actually being bid up right now. 2 bids for $1,500, $6,500. Buy it now. It does say 100 gigabytes on both of these. I'm going to guess that this is just a mismarking and they mean 1,000 gigabytes, which is 1 terabyte, because I don't think that's, unless these are customly created. Actually, I don't know then, because I was going to say 1 terabyte, but they don't have a Z Flip 6 and 1 terabyte, if I am correct. There is 256 and 512. So maybe these are a custom 100 gigabyte, which why would Samsung make these 100 gigabyte? Maybe because they're cheaper to create then, because they're not as much storage. That really doesn't make sense to me, actually. Why would you not have... Yeah, okay, I don't know why you would not have that. Now, this is sealed in box. So, I guess that Samsung kind of gave everyone these devices. And some of them actually got used. Some of them was, hey, listen, we love this. And then some people were like, oh, thank you, Samsung. I don't want this, but I guess I'll just sell it. And now they're trying to make bank off of it. Which, again, I don't have a problem with that. If you want to sell your Z Flip 6 and you want to get rid of it and you have an Olympic edition, all power to you. But I just thought this was funny because I'm like, this is not something we usually see when Samsung releases custom versions of certain cell phones. Usually if they release a limited amount of the cell phone, people buy it, and you don't usually see it in the secondhand market as much. So the fact that we actually see these on the market is kind of interesting. But tell me down below your thoughts, opinions, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.